like a bird in flight. Open your heart and go higher. Let the Spirit lift you like a bird. You can soar above the cares of this world. You have everything you need for the journey, and you can always find your way home. Don't let fear overtake you. When you are afraid, just spread your wings and the wind will take you. Always remember that you can fly. When you want to cry, fly. Just let the tears fall like rain from the sky. Get closer to the sun. Let it warm you with its rays. Sing a new song as you lift up your gaze. When you want to ask why, just fly. The answers come when you spread your wings and reach new heights and a higher perspective. Always remember that you can fly. When you don't know where to go, open your heart and go higher.